What is going on, guys? So back with another episode because I got these NZXT RGB lights. Well, fan actually. Obviously I got it for the lights, but the fans. And so I got two of them and I installed them both on here because they came with some stock stuff. This is the stock NZXT right here. So yeah, the case actually came stock with this, so I went ahead and kind of took the measurement and all that good stuff and ordered me some new ones right here. And as you can see, I've installed that. So just to talk about a little bit of my experience with installing it on the actual NZXT cases. So first off, each one of these boxes comes with a pack like this right here. Actually comes with a few different ones. The only difference that actually no, it only comes with one, but the only difference that I can really tell between these is that they just do different things. So for instance, this one is like an LED one right here that you actually plug this one into your motherboard and stuff like that. This one right here actually is for you to daisy chain if you buy multiple fans, and then you have other fans going on right here. So that's what this is for, so that you can daisy chain in and out. So this was really confusing to me. The fan itself comes already with a cord for you to, I mean, pretty much plug into the fan of the thingamajig that's on the that's on the motherboard and stuff like that. If you have an NZXT case, it does already come with, you know, one of those controllers already. And so let me show you. And so right here, so this is the controller right here. It's you know, there's LED right here that you plug in, and then there's three fans that you plug in here. And so this case already come with this, but if you use one of these controller, it's super helpful because you can just plug the fan and the LED and stuff into it. But the reason why you want to do that is because so that all of them can be daisy chained. What that means is that when you control it with your computer, you can set one thing and it'll all light up in a chain, quote unquote chain. And so that's the reason why this right here is useful. It's not just for you to control the fan with the software, but it's this one right here is for you to control the LED. And so all these two right here actually runs off of one cord that I plug into that controller back there. So yeah, that's just an FYI on that one. So the way I have it set up is that this one right here, this fan right here, it's you see, you know, well, you can kind of see right here. See, I have the in plugged in right here. So basically I have the in plugged in. This is the last one on the chain, and so I don't need to plug in and out at all. That's the reason why this cord is still here. And so I just plug that one in, and then I plug it into this fan up here, so that this fan goes into this one. So the out, let me just show you this. So you see this right here, this says out. So that out goes into this fan, all right? And then I plug this fan into the LED 2 right here. Yep. So both of those fans LED are actually running off of this one little thing right here, while this LED right here is running off of some other things. But yeah, just an FYI, that's kind of how I have it set up. It's kind of confusing because, you know, whenever I try to look things up, they really don't tell you like how to truly use these cords right here. You just kind of have to figure it out yourself. But yeah, so I need a better way of doing this. So what that basically means is that this fan right here, all I do is just plug the in on this fan, and then for this one right here, I use both out and in. All right. So just in case you're wondering how to daisy chain all that stuff up, that's how you would do it. You can actually go even further, now that I'm thinking about it, by just using one LED plug, by just doing this, and then you see there's two more right here. Yeah, so those are LED fan as well, and so I can daisy chain all of that up using this little wire right here. the magical wire. And so I can daisy chain all that up and then just plug into one LED slot back there on that controller, and that's it. Yeah, and I would free up, you know, more LED slot. But I think on the website, on the NZXT website, there is a limit to how many LED can be set up. I think each one of these comes with like 8 LED. And so there is a limit on how many numbers of LED you can put in a daisy chain like that. But anyway, do your own research right there. I just wanted to tell you, it took me a little bit, you know, to figure out what to do with these and stuff like that and how to really truly use it. But yeah, I just want to tell you that in goes in here, and then the out goes in here, and then another in and out goes into the remote, the controller box back there. So yeah, that's my adventure right there for today with this LED fan from NZXT. I hope you guys find that useful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.